Today we're making air fryer chili con carne meatballs. Hearty black beans, tender sweet potatoes, rich tomatoes, and juicy homemade meatballs make this meal a serious flavor bomb. Let's get into it. Start by dicing a sweet potato into 3/4 inch cubes and tossing it into a bowl with salt, pepper, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Give everything a good mix. Next, chop about a half a bunch of cilantro, saving a few good leaves for garnish. Then slice up a pepper of your choice, anywhere from sweet to fiery hot. Now remove the rack from your air fryer, add a liner if you want, and pour in a can of seasoned black beans with the sauce. Toss in 1 teaspoon of cumin and a pinch of salt and pepper. Replace the rack, give it a quick spray of olive oil, and throw on those sweet potatoes. Into the air fryer at 350 degrees for 15 minutes while we make the meatballs. Using that same bowl, combine 8 ounces of ground beef, the cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin, crushed red pepper, salt, pepper, and the zest of 1 lime. Now cut that lime in half, cut one of those halves in half again, and save it for later. Mix everything together and roll it into about 8 meatballs. After 15 minutes, slide those sweet potatoes to the side and add the meatballs and tomatoes. Give everything a light spray of olive oil and season the tomatoes with a little salt and pepper. Back into the air fryer at 375 for 10 minutes. Halfway through, flip the meatballs, stir everything else, and give it one more light spray of oil. When it's done, transfer everything from the rack onto the plate. Now carefully remove that rack. Lift out the liner and pour those beans into a bowl. Squeeze in that reserved half a lime, add about 5 good shakes of chipotle hot sauce, mix and lightly mash everything together into a chunky chili-style base. To plate, start with the beans, add the sweet potatoes, tomatoes, meatballs, and finish with the sliced peppers and fresh cilantro and squeeze on that quarter lime wedge. Look at that. Spicy, smoky, sweet, and savory. We're hitting all the notes. If you want more air fryer wins like this, hit that subscribe button and check back next week for my next air fryer victory.